Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and sell a digital planner on Etsy in 2026, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to design a planner, make it interactive, export it properly, and list it for sale. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what digital planner is. A digital planner is a PDF file designed for use on tablets or apps like GoodNotes or Notability, right? Users write on it using stylus like Apple Pencil, just like a real notebook but digital. Step 2. Choose your planner type. Okay, before designing, decide your niche. Popular planner types in 2026 are daily or weekly planners, budget planners, fitness planners, study planners, business planners. Best strategy, go niche. Example, instead of planner for ADHD daily, to productivity planner, right? Step 3, plan your pages, right? Think about what pages your planner will include. The basic structure should include cover page, index page, which is clickable, monthly pages, weekly pages, daily pages, notes pages, trackers like habits, goals, budget. Write everything down before designing. Step 4, design your planner in Canva, right? So go ahead to Canva, right, or just type templates. I'm gonna write templates here. Okay. Just search for planner. Just type planner. So I'm gonna wait for a few moments until the page shows up. So I'm gonna type planner here. Right. You gotta choose right here basically your plan, right? Your planner template, and you can apply fitness, basically, yeah, fitness or budget plan or business plan, whatever. Okay, and keep consistent across all pages. Okay. Step 5, create hyperlinks or interactive planner. This is what makes your planner premium. In Canva, you can select text or button, click a link icon, or link it to another page. Example, index means monthly page, month to weekly pages, right? Or index to monthly pages, month to weekly pages. This allows users to navigate easily. Step 6, duplicate pages to save time. Instead of designing from scratch, create one daily page, duplicate it multiple times, change dates if needed. This speeds up your workflow. Step 7, add tabs for navigation. Tabs are very important for usability. You can add monthly tabs, section tabs. Position them on the side of the page and link them to sections. This makes your planner feel professional. And then, once you select your planner, right? So I'm gonna use this template. Okay. When finished, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit share at the top right here. Okay, so let me wait for a few moments here because, okay, I'm gonna hit share, hit download, and choose as a PDF or PDF print or PDF standard, right? This is best for printing. So yeah, you can add password protection, include notes, flatten PDF, compressed PDF, etc. Important, make sure hyperlinks are included, use high quality. Now your planner is ready. Now, step 9, create listing images, right? Before uploading to Etsy, create mockups, right? Use Canva for that. So, mockups, planner mockups. Right? You can use whatever design you want, right? To demonstrate or to show trust and confidence in the product, right? Show planner pages, tablet previews, features, what's included. Good mockups means more clicks. And upload to Etsy. Now create your product listing, right? Go to Etsy, right? And head to the shop manager and create your first listing, right? Upload images, add title with keywords, write description, upload your PDF file, and set price, right? Step 11, price your planner. Typical pricing for simple planner, $5 to $10. For advanced planner, $15 to $30. You can also sell bundles, offer multiple color versions. Step 12, promote your planner. To get sales, use platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, right? Show how planners works before and after productivity and tutorials, and improve and scale. Once you get sales, add more planners, create bundles, improve design, collect reviews. More products means more income potential. So avoid overcomplicated design, no hyperlinks, poor mockups, no niche focus, low quality PDF. So to rewind everything, create a niche, choose a niche, plan pages, design in Canva, add hyperlinks, export as PDF, create mockups, upload to Etsy, all using Canva and Etsy only. Done. Creating a digital planner for Etsy in 2026 is one of the best ways to build a scalable digital product business. With tools like Canva, you can design professional planners without any hackles or any advanced skills. So focus on solving a specific problem, keeping the design clean, making navigation easy, presenting your product professionally. That's how you stand out and get consistent sales. So consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Share this with a friend that might want to hear this. So see you in the next one.